Dear friends, now we are going to learn how to frame yes no type questions. Yes no type questions are also called as verbal questions. These questions do not begin with question words like what, when, where, why, who, how, etc. And they expect yes or no as answer. Okay? Got it? Yes. Yes no type questions are asked to check information or to ask for confirmation. Let's see some examples of yes no type questions here. Okay. Are you coming with us? Has he returned the pen? Does she speak English? So, in all these questions, only yes no answer is expected. Okay. And you must have noticed that all these questions begin with auxiliary or helping verbs and end with question marks. Okay. So, we must know the auxiliary verbs at first. Now, which are the auxiliary verbs? You know, auxiliary verb is also known as helping verbs because they help the main verb in the sentence. So, the auxiliary verbs are am, is, are, was, were, shall, will, and have, has, had, do, does, did, can, could, should, would, may, might, must, ought to, need, and dare, etc. So these are the auxiliary or helping verbs in English language. So always keep this in your mind that you need to use one of these auxiliary verbs while making yes no type questions appropriately. Okay. So let's see how to make yes no type questions. So at first, let's take simple sentences so that you can get it easily. Okay. The first is I am a clever student. The answer to this is am I a clever student? The second is he is a good doctor. The answer is he a good doctor? The third example is you will help me. The answer is will you help me? So let's have a look at the answers. That is yes no type questions here. Here you will observe the auxiliary verbs am, is, will is taken at the very beginning of the sentence, very beginning of the questions while making yes no type questions. After the auxiliary verb, subject is taken just after that. Okay. Then, and auxiliary verb is present in all these sentences. But what if there is no auxiliary verb in the given sentence? So, when there is no auxiliary verb in the given sentence, what can we do? Let us take some examples. You speak English. The answer to this is do you speak English? The second, she speaks English. The answer is does she speak English? The third is he got the letter. The answer is did he get the letter? Now, let's look at these answers. That is yes no type questions. Here you will notice here the questions begin with do, does, did. So here you must remember the fact that when the main verb in the given sentence is in simple present tense, and the suffix yes or yes is not added to it, you have to take do. And when the suffix yes or yes is added to the main verb, then you have to take does. And when the main verb is in the simple past tense, you have to take did to form yes no type questions. Okay? Got it? It's very simple. Then there are some other sentences also, other examples also. Let's take those examples to clear our concept. 1. You can work hard. The answer is, can you work hard? She should study hard. Answer, should she study hard? 3. We must respect our parents. The answer, must we respect our parents? 4. Mohan has written a blog. Answer, has Mohan written a blog? 5. The people could save their time and money. Answer, could people save their time and money? So, did you get these examples? I expect that you got all these examples, you got all these rules of how to make a yes no type questions. If you understood all these, you can frame yes no type questions from any given sentence. I hope so. Okay? Bye bye. See you again in the next video. Thank you.